Therefore I cannot say, but he cometh for thee, he cometh for thee. All your bully works with your baskin Oh! Hey all! KSPortalcraftEDU! You caught me off guard! Remember what happened to the last person you found out? Okay, you moronic hooligan, ruffian, bully rooks. Don't know what elements are! I will teach you! Today, we'll be studying a new series in which I go over every single element and the periodic table chronologically! And you better watch until the end, or else. Thanks for some subscribers, guys! Today's element is the first element in the table, hydrogen. It has a molar mass of 1.0784 atomic mass units, and has 3 isotopes. Well, of course, hydrogen, then deuterium, and tritium. It is the #1 go in the periodic table, and as such only has 1 proton. Likewise, it is the lightest element, and as such has been used for lighter than air travel. However, as the Germans may know, in its normal gas state, it is highly flammable. Oopsie poopsie. Due to the gas being incredibly simple, only being composed of 1 proton and 1 electron, hydrogen is the most common element and is likely the first element ever around. Fun fact, 73% of the visible universe is in the form of hydrogen. Hydrogen is one of the most important elements and owns an S tier on the elements tier list. It is important for its use as a clean fuel, killing the race of humans like you, and much, much more. This element is 100% the go and to be respected at all costs, unless in a setting which is used in redacted. Oh well, I can't reveal my plans just yet. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. For more KSPortalcraftEDU and that lame nerd KSPortalcraft. Bye.
I hope no one looks at my plans while I'm sleeping.